This Hammerhead Random Orbit Sander has the power and features to tackle a wide range of sanding tasks. This sander can handle long usage, and the comfortable soft grip helps maintain good hand control while relieving muscle fatigue. Swap out sanding paper by easily using any standard 5" 8-hole sanding paper, and keep the work area clean with the attached dust bag. The power switch is sealed to prevent dust from entering the tool casing, leading to a less noisy and more durable tool. More about this product. Power, 2.0 amp. No load oscillating speed, 12,000 OPM. Pad, 5 inches diameter. Orbit diameter, 7/64 inch. Paper clamp, standard 5" 8-hole sanding paper. On-off switch, dust sealed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dust management. Attached dust bag keeps the working space clean. Number 2. Hook and loop system, for simple and quick sanding sheet changes. Number 3. Dust sealed switch, extends tool life by preventing dust from getting in during usage. Number 4. 12 pieces sandpaper. 12 pieces sandpaper, 4x80 grit, 4x120 grit, and 4x180 grit for multiple applications and surfaces. Number 5. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 2.0 amp power motor, the sander rotates at 12,000 OPM for fast material removal. The high-performance power helping to realize high efficiency in completing your project. Number 6. Ergonomic design. Comfortable soft grip designed for better handling. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.